Question 2. A piece of wire is bent into the shape of an isosceles triangle. The base angles are each 48 degrees and the perpendicular height to the base is 6 centimeters. Calculate correct to one decimal place the length of the wire. Now the first thing to do is to represent the information given in form of a diagram. So we have a wire that is being bent to form an isosceles triangle. You all know that an isosceles triangle has got two equal sides, and then the base angles are also equal. And now we are given that the base angles are equal to 48 degrees. And you have been given the perpendicular height to be equal to 6 centimeters. So this is just a sketch, 6 centimeters. Then if this is a perpendicular height, then it means that these angles are 90 degrees. Now, to be able to calculate the length of the wire, we will need to find the base length and the length of the two equal sides. So we will extract a part of this triangle to form a right-angled triangle, so that we have that triangle. We have a triangle, this angle being 90, this one being 48 degrees, and this height being 6 centimeters. Now we need to find, we can call this side A and this side B. Now to find A, with respect to this angle, this side is the opposite. With respect to this angle, this side is the adjacent. And this means that we will use the identity tangent, because tan theta is always equal to opposite over adjacent side. In this case, our theta is 48 degrees. Our opposite is 6. Our adjacent is A. So if we multiply both sides by A, we will have A times tan 48 is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by tan 48, our A will be equal to 6 over tan 48. Now this is equal to 6 over, from the mathematical table, the tan of 48 is 1.1106. Now dividing the two, we get the value of A as 5.4 centimeters. Now again, we calculate the value of B. With respect to this angle, B is our hypotenuse, and the value given is the opposite. That means we use the identity sign, because sin theta is always equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So in this case, our theta is 48 degrees, which is equal to the opposite side to 48 is 6. The hypotenuse to 48 is B. So multiplying both sides by B, we have B sin 48 is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by sin 48, we have B is equal to 6 over sin 48 degrees. This is equal to 6 over sine of 48 is 0.7431. Now you get this value from your mathematical table. If you divide 6 by 0.7431, you get 8.07. Now the question requires us to calculate, correct one decimal place, the length of the wire. So to do that, we need to get the base length. Base length is this length, which is formed by A plus another A. So this is equal to 5.4 plus 5.4, which is equal to 10.8. And then we have the two equal sides, which are equal to the value of B. So we will have B plus another B. Now the value of B is 8.07 plus another 8.07, so that you get 16.14. Now to get the total length of the wire, we will have the base length, which is 10.8, plus the value of the two equal sides, which is 16.14, to give us 26.94 centimeters. Now the instructions are, we calculate correct to one decimal place. So this will be equal to 26.9 centimeters. And that is our answer.